Hello, I'm Marcus Boston. Quick video today, and I get this question a lot, and that question is, well, Marcus, I do see your stuff online, and I hear you talking about HIE and birth injuries and this birth injury investigation. And ultimately the question is, well, how much does it cost? How much does it cost for you to do that investigation? And so before I answer that question, I want to make sure that you understand that what I'm going to talk with you about today is how we do things. If you're thinking about speaking with another attorney or another law firm, be sure to understand how they handle this situation. But the short answer is that when we do these investigations that you hear me talking about, that the initial investigation that we do not charge to do that investigation. That is something that we do, because how these cases break down is we have to use medical experts, we have to deal with standard of care, we've got to deal with causation, we have to deal with all of these issues. And so it's our practice to do a good, thorough investigation on the front end, because we are going to have to deal with these other issues. So I'm not going to charge you up front for something that I've already have to do. I've got to already do that. So when it comes to the initial investigation, looking at medical records or things of that nature and giving you an opinion as to whether we think that your child's injury was due to a departure from the standard of care which caused the brain injury, to do that initial birth injury investigation, there is no charge for us to do that. Now, like I said, just want to make sure you understand that is how we do things. And if you're going to speak with another law firm or another attorney, be sure to understand how they handle this situation, because not all firms will handle this the same way. Some firms will charge you depending on, what you have to get done. So some of them will charge a fee for them to give you their opinion or to be able to do an analysis. If you have more questions, if you want to just talk with me more about your child and what your child has going on, there's a telephone number down below. What I invite you to do is go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. I talk with families all the time about HIE, hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, cerebral palsy, CP, MAS, meconium aspiration syndrome, shoulder dystocia, brachial plexus injuries. That is what we do. So if you have questions, go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. One more thing. I practice law here in the state of Maryland, and if you are not in Maryland and you see the phone number and you want to call me, just understand if this is something that we think we can assist you with, we have to use co-counsel, or what we call local counsel, in other words, an attorney in your state, which is something that we will help take care of to be able to push the case through. So I just want to make sure that you understand that co-counsel and local counsel aspect of things. All right. That's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.